Al, you have been a coach and consultant on workplace behavior for almost 20 years. Can you tell us the benefit of using a coach to improve performance instead of taking a related course?
Certainly. Only the coaching relationship is personal and specific enough to help someone change their behavior to improve their performance. Pro athletes use coaches all the time. Why not workplace professionals? My coaching approach is optimistic, solution-focused, and behavior-based. I've helped clients with virtually every type of performance challenge, from the threat of termination to stalled careers and the uncertainty of a new role. My coaching conversations deal with possibilities. They're assertive, encouraging, and confidential. Together we turn "I should make changes" into "I can" and "I will make them."
Al, you have listed some of your recent coaching challenges on this site.
Yes. These clients have found a renewed sense of satisfaction by developing and implementing their solutions. The right coaching can quickly raise the odds of getting from where you are to where you want to be. Take a moment to think about how coaching could benefit your performance.
Thank you, Al.